Hello, everyone. Experiencing issues with your Apple Pay? Is your account locked or restricted? Don't worry. In this video, I'm here to guide you on how to fix Apple Pay account locked or restricted issues, ensuring you get back to seamless transactions in no time. Step 1. Identify the problem. The first step in resolving your locked or restricted Apple Pay account is identifying the problem. Typically, accounts can be locked due to multiple failed login attempts, suspicious activity, or issues with your payment method. You may receive an email or notification from Apple detailing the issue. If there's no clear communication, log into your Apple ID to check for alerts. Understanding the root of the problem will help you resolve it more efficiently. Step 2. Verify your account. To address any potential security concerns, Apple might require you to verify your identity. Navigate to your Apple ID account page and look for any verification prompts. This might involve answering your security questions or verifying your identity through another Apple device. By confirming your identity, you're taking a crucial step toward unlocking your account. Step 3. Update payment information. Issues with your payment method can also restrict your Apple Pay account. To update your payment details, open your Settings app, tap on your name, and navigate to the Payment and Shipping section. Review your payment methods for any inaccuracies or expired cards. Update the necessary information, ensuring corrective action against any restrictions related to outdated payment. Step 4. Contact Apple support. If you've tried the above methods and your account remains locked or restricted, it might be time to seek help from Apple support. You can contact them through the Apple Support app or visit their website to access chat or phone support. Provide detailed information about your issue, and they will guide you through further steps to resolve any ongoing problem. Step 5. Prevent future issues. Once your Apple Pay account is up and running, it's vital to adopt preventive measures. Always use a strong, unique password for your Apple ID. Enable two-factor authentication for added security, and regularly review your account for any unknown activity. Keeping your operating system and apps updated can also help prevent security vulnerabilities that might lead to account issues. Fixing your Apple Pay account when it's locked or restricted might seem daunting, but by following these steps, you can confidently address the issue. From verifying your identity and updating payment methods to reaching out to Apple support, there are multiple strategies to help you regain access to your account. Remember, preventive measures are key to avoiding similar problems in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and happy spending with your newly unlocked Apple Pay.